Today, we're going to discuss the fundamental steps you need to take to get started in real estate investing and build long-term wealth. So, let's dive right in. 1. Define your goals and strategy. The first step in real estate investing is to define your goals and develop a strategy. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through real estate investing? Are you looking for a steady income stream, long-term wealth accumulation, or a combination of both? Determine your risk tolerance, time horizon, and preferred investment strategy such as rental properties, fix and flips, or commercial real estate. For example, let's say your goal is to generate passive income. You might want to start by purchasing a rental property that generates positive cash flow each month. By defining your goal, you'll have a clear direction and a target to work towards. 2. Educate yourself. Now that you have your goals in mind, it's time to educate yourself about real estate investing. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars or webinars. Learn about different investment strategies, market trends, financing options, and property analysis. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. As an example, you might want to read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Real Estate Investor by Gary Keller. These resources provide valuable insights into the mindset and strategies of successful real estate investors. 3. Build your network. Building a strong network is vital in real estate investing. Connect with real estate agents, lenders, contractors, property managers, and other investors. Attend local real estate meetups, join professional associations, and engage with online forums to meet like-minded individuals. A robust network will provide you with valuable resources, support, and potential investment opportunities. 4. Secure financing. Financing your real estate investments is often a crucial step. Explore various financing options, including traditional mortgages, private lenders, partnerships, or even self-directed retirement accounts. Understand the requirements, interest rates, terms, and conditions associated with each option. Consult with a mortgage broker or financial advisor to determine the best financing strategy for your investment goals. 5. Start small and build. When you're just starting, it's wise to begin with smaller investments. Starting small allows you to gain experience, learn from your mistakes, and gradually scale your real estate portfolio. For instance, you could start by purchasing a single-family home or a small multi-unit property. This way, you'll get familiar with the process of acquiring and managing properties before taking on larger projects. 6. Analyze deals and perform due diligence. Before making any investment, it's essential to analyze deals and conduct thorough due diligence. Evaluate potential properties based on their location, market demand, rental income potential, expenses, and potential for appreciation. Perform property inspections, review financial statements, assess the neighborhood, and research local regulations and zoning laws. Diligent analysis will help you make informed investment decisions. 7. Start investing and diversify. Now that you've done your research and due diligence, it's time to start investing. Begin with a property that aligns with your investment goals and strategy. As you gain experience and confidence, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different property types or expanding into new markets. Diversification minimizes risk and maximizes opportunities for growth. 8. Manage your investments. Successful real estate investors know the importance of effective property management. Whether you choose to self-manage or hire a professional property manager, ensure your investments are well-maintained and tenants are satisfied. Regularly review financial reports, monitor market trends, and make necessary adjustments to optimize your portfolio's performance. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the essential steps to get started in real estate investing and build wealth over time. Remember, real estate investing is a long-term game that requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and expert advice on our channel to help you along your real estate investment journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Until next time, happy investing!